Well, it's Tea Tuesday time, everyone. Sit down with your cup of tea and start ready to watch my video. But before we start, I wanted to mention that I'm going to maybe take a week off from YouTube or two. I need to sit down and get some rest. It's been really hard lately. So this may be the last Tea Tuesday for maybe 2 or 3 weeks. We'll see. You never know what Grandma's going to do. She says she's going to take a rest, and the next thing you know, she's got videos up. It's hard for me not to put videos up every week. So we'll see if I can do it. But I do need a rest really bad. You can tell how tired my voice sounds. Well, let's go see who our hostess and our co-hostess is for Tea Tuesday, and then I'll share what I'm going to share. Good morning, my awesome friends. It's Tuesday, and what do we do every Tuesday? We join in with my awesome friend, Life with Patty. And Tea Tuesday is something that goes up every Tuesday. You can join in once in a while or every week. It can be about anything you want. It's an open collab, and you can talk about anything you want, share anything you want. Put the video up anytime you want on Tuesday. These are my favorite kind of videos. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for stopping by, and hope you enjoy seeing what everyone had to share today. Now, let's go see our co-hostess, Kathy's favorite things. She always has so many wonderful things to share with you, and please go check her out also. I'm going to give you a little bit of an idea what she does on her channel. She always has something to share, something new and different, always has lots of shopping trips she takes us on and shares what she finds, shakers, all kinds of DIY projects, and of course she does Tea Tuesday, every Tuesday also. She is our wonderful co-hostess. Please go check her out and see what other things she had to share. And she did a lot of videos about Barbie when Barbie was the hit in the movie theater, and I think it's still doing really well. So go check her out, my favorite friend, Kathy's favorite things.
Good morning to all my awesome friends. It's Tea Tuesday time, and this is my display in my cozy corner for Halloween. I've put it together by picking up a few new items. This sign came from Walgreens, and I spent $10 for it. And it lights up, and we will be sharing that more about it. I had bought 3 of these bunches of flowers that look like faces. I've shared 1, so 2 I'm having to add up, another $2.50. All the pumpkins that you see, the velvet ones, are new from Dollar Tree, and a total of $5 was spent for them. There was 3 big ones and 5 little ones, a total. This was $17.50 display. But once we put this up and write this off, from then on it's free. Everything else in this display I already owned and had. It's a pretty big, cozy corner display, I thought, and everything looked very pretty for Halloween theme. I also have my beautiful mushrooms from Mackenzie Childs, but I've had those for several years along with the king frog. How do you like the display? I thought we did a pretty good job putting it together. Peach tea was the tea of the day, and I had this beautiful Halloween cup and saucer I bought a few months back, and it's already been written off too. All the doilies have all been written off and used in past posts also. I thought we did pretty good. And of course, my beautiful overhead lighting that I bought a few months back really light up the cozy corner just perfectly, doesn't it? And you can see the peach tea I have not actually brewed yet. But I thought everything turned out pretty good. Let me know what you thought of my display for today. You know how much Grandma loves doing cozy corner displays, and I love putting them all together. The great thing about the cozy corner, you can move anything around any way you want and make it look different, even if you're using the same pieces. I love doing small cozy corner. Now here it is with the overhead lights off, and now you can see the sign lit up much better. What did you think? I thought it turned out beautiful. Let me know what you thought of the cozy corner for Tea Tuesday. I just loved how it turned out. We always try to do something new and different to share with you. Don't forget to join Tea Tuesday, my dear friends. It's an open collab. Anyone can join in. And you can put your video up anytime on Tuesday, and you can talk about or share anything you want as long as it's in good taste. And this is what I'm sharing, my Halloween decor. What do you think? Leave me a comment and let me know how you liked it. Like I said, I spent $17.50 for this display, but everything else I already owned and had. But the very best part of all, I can use this over and over and over again, year after year, and I won't have to spend any money. Let me know what you thought. We love hearing your opinion.